To measure an angle, tap the Angle tool. A preview appears of an angle and its measurement. I want to measure angle ABC, so I'll attach these 3 points, D, E, and F, to A, B, and C respectively. First, I'll attach the glowing point to A by tapping the point. Next, I'll attach the vertex of the angle to point B. Finally, I'll attach the remaining glowing point to C. My tool is complete and I can read the measurement of angle ABC. Measuring reflex angles works the same way, but uses the Reflex Angle tool instead.